All right, let me explain this to you. So, this reality we live in, we live in an electromagnetic universe, all right? The energy's already there. And science will even tell you the higher you go up in elevation, the greater the equipotential for electrostatic energy. So, the higher up we go, the more electricity we can harness literally out of what you call the atmosphere, but it's this ether. They just don't want you to know about the ether. So it works like this. Here. Okay, now you ever seen this? You know what these are? These are Baghdad batteries, all right? And this is a mercury arc rectifier. So this is how all this old world technology worked. They had these to harness the AC, the alternating current, the raw AC that's in the atmosphere, all right? And this would convert it into DC, direct current, and then it could be stored in things like these Baghdad batteries. Same thing with these old world fireplaces, all right? You have these guys, they're called andirons, all right? And these were your anode and cathode, and they were in the fireplace. You didn't burn firewood in there. You use these to control the temperature with electrostatics. See, you can find these all over. These old world buildings had these antenna. You can even find these diagrams showing how they used to have these antennas to harvest this etheric. All right, and all these buildings were built built and designed to resonate, have these resonance with the energy around them. All right, this harmonics, see how it perfectly matches. See here? And this is the same reason. So this is a Schumann resonator on the left, technology we use today. And here's the floor of a cathedral. This is Charles Cathedral, all right? You'll find these all over. You'll find these in cathedrals. You'll find these labyrinths all over the place. Why? Because those cathedrals, cathode rolls, were used as natural resonant healing centers. All right. And so check this out. All right. And now see this. This is Lakovsky's multi-wave oscillator. And this is, I got to watch what I say, because if I talk about frequency schmealing, I can get banned. I already got a movie, one of my videos removed for talking about exactly this. But these were designed. Okay. See this guy? See these guys? They all have this same pattern because it's using the same, that's what the Schwarzstückers are. I gotta watch what I say. Anyway, they're creating a natural resonance that is healing to the body, all right? And I'm gonna play a video showing someone just hooking up a wire and using that natural ether to power things, all right? So to answer your question, you don't have to, you're tapping into the dielectric field that already exists all around us, okay? There's an infinite sea of energy all around us, all right? The Ethernet, and they teach you about gravity. They teach you all this, like there's this force that's acting on everything, separating everything, but everything is only one thing, and it's that ether, and the only thing that gives it the illusion of separation is us and our ideas. So here you go.
So check out this video where a man attaches a copper wire and flies a drone up to about 115 meters and shows off the ether in action.
All right, I'm gonna stop at 115 and hold steady. All right, it didn't blow up yet.
Oh, by the way, meet the aerial film crew. I just thought this was a cool shot.
Oh yeah, I'm getting shocked right now.
This time I just used the electroscope as a quick voltage check.
Woo! Now that's a few thousand volts right there.
All right, let's see if there's enough current to make this Franklin bell work. Oh, dude! Freaking working, buddy! Yeah! It's a really cool process. The aerial wire places a positive charge on this can, which then influences the foil ball to deliver electrons from the grounded can, which is directly connected to Earth. The clouds finally opened up, so I connected up the corona motor. Like before, one side was connected to ground, while the other was attached to the aerial wire. And after just a few seconds, Hey, hey, she's spinning. This is just remarkable. It never really spun that fast, but I just sat and enjoyed the miracle. I mean, I quite literally was siphoning energy straight from the atmosphere. This motor was operating off of several kilovolts, which you could actually hear if you stopped the motor and brought your finger near the aerial wire. That's the sound of coronal discharge. Oh. Not long after, the wind started picking up, so we packed up.